Bicol University Oval. Also known as the BU Oval. Is a landmark in the heart of Legazpi City, Philippines. It is a 1.3-kilometer oval-shaped track that serves as a venue for various sports events and recreational activities.